Please. Unbelievable. Saw at least one save in there. Might have been two, but just unbelievable effort by the Creek defense. Everybody out there.
Chandler Naiman in the snow, and there it is. Here come all the folks in white, on the white, and they are the 2019 champions, the Cherry Creek Bruins.
The 2019 State Boys Lacrosse Champions. This year's state champions are the Cherry Creek Bruins, coached by Mr. Matt Bucklet. Once again, lacrosse fans, congratulations.
You see the boys in white celebrating in the snowy night, receiving another state championship trophy. 5-5 game at the halftime break, outscoring their opponents 7-2 in the second half. Going away, Cherry Creek picks up their 7th program title under their second-year head coach, Matt Bucklet. Congratulations to the Cherry Creek Bruins, the 2019 5A men's lacrosse champions in the state of Colorado.